All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a Transporter, 1970 Volkswagen Kombi bus. Pretty nice, man. The guy went through this whole car completely, top to bottom. It's got a 1915 engine in it, CC, with dual carburetors. They added disc brakes up front. It's got Willwood disc brakes. It's kind of nice. It stops good. Transmission shifts great. These are really cool, you know, and this was a solid one. A lot of these things get rusty, but it looks good underneath. It's all undercoated real nice. It's got a new birchwood headliner and door panels. Nice little CD stereo. The guy restored it so he could take his grandkids around, and they're getting a little older now, and they just not as interested as they used to be. So I got lucky enough to get a hold of this one. But the paint was done, nice paint job. It's got the chrome wheels on there, the Volkswagen caps. Not a whole lot involved with these. They're pretty simple, pretty basic, but that's what people like about them, you know? They're not a powerhouse. You can cruise along on the freeway, 65 miles an hour. That's about it. But they're a lot of fun to cruise around. This one's got little curtains, magnetic curtains, which I kind of like, because sometimes they put these curtain rods in and they drill holes and stuff, but I thought that was a pretty good idea to make them out of magnets. So when you're cruising this thing, you give yourself plenty of time. You're in no hurry to get anywhere. Once you get up to speed though, actually really nice. But you know, everything about the car, the whole inside has been redone, all new carpeting, seat upholstery, all pretty recent. Well, we'll go up here, we'll take some more pictures and more video for you so you can get a look at it. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here on this 1970 German-built Volkswagen bus, Kombi bus, Transporter, a few different names for it. But it's not the camper version, it's got the seats in there, so you take your family and friends around, go cruising, take it to the beach. Some guys put surfboard racks on them, or, you know, throw your bike in the back. Just kind of a cool little retro bus, you know. And it's old, it's 1970. Very nice shape. A lot of new trim and chrome and tail lights. Everything's kind of been done on this one. It's got the chrome wheels. It's got tinted glass. Also has the, I mentioned earlier, magnetic curtains in there, so you can close those up for a little privacy. You're changing into your wetsuit or something at the beach. But just a simple little vehicle. This one's got an upgraded engine, a 1915cc with dual carbs. So it's got a decent amount of power. Still not a powerhouse, but the 4-speed manual transmission. They did put Willwood disc brakes up front. Kind of nice. I mean, you take these things through the canyons and stuff, and you know, with drum brakes, they kind of fade. So disc brakes is a nice safety feature. Nice addition. But pretty basic. It's got some cool old Volkswagen stickers. I think I got a few more to go with it. If you're a sticker person. If not, you take them off. The interior is done in a real durable vinyl. I mean, you know, it's kind of like a boat material almost. You can get in. If you sit on it with wet swim trunks or something, you're not going to hurt it. It's got the birchwood interior as far as the headliner, door panels. It's got some sound deadening. It also has the rubber floor mat. Actually, just get in here and, you know, easy to clean. Very nice. Show you up front. Same thing with the front seats, all done real well. All the detail work is actually nice. It's got a, you know, a CD stereo in there. Nice speaker enclosure up there in the top and the back. It's a Sony auxiliary and everything like that too. You can put a USB in there if you want. Original steering wheel, original shifter. Got a little glove box there. The center console was added. It's Velcroed in, so you can take it out if you want. But it's got cup holders for the rear and for the front. A little storage. You want to put something in there. Very cool. It's a great looking van, and these things are going up in value. Have something to have some fun with, and a little investment as well. All right, here's the power plant in the 70 Volkswagen Transporter. This engine compartment's really good too. I mean, they had the motor out when they painted it. Everything's real clean. It's got some powder painted tins down there. But dual carburetors, like I said, a 1915cc, a little more power for some of those grades that you got to go up. There's your Duracell 12-volt battery in there. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. There it is, VW power. Pretty cool. a nice running little bug. It's not a bug, it's a bus. There you go. And also, if you're in California, you got the VW plates. I got the 66 Volkswagen Beetle too. It's got similar plates. Both these vehicles came from the same guy. But if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to show you it in person, or give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.